on.
Okay, guys, I'm just starting another, I've got a setup going on these bushings for Ron. Thought you might get a kick out of a video and see how that stuff runs. This is in a little manual lathe. And like I said, I've got a setup that's working well, and I'm just getting ready to go. That was the parting tool from the last piece. Go back to my turning tool. Okay, I'm going to pull the bar out to get the new piece started. And I'm setting a number there. I'm going to clean up at about 10 thousandths. And here we go. Now advancing the bar, using the tool as the stop. Okay, that'll be good. Okay. Right away, take a quick face cut. Clean that face up, and everything will register off that now. That face and that 0. Okay. I'll be drilling for the bore now. And these I'm using a carbide drill. The tailstock has been very carefully, very accurately set up so that it is running true to center. So now I'm going to bring this in and I'm going to get my depth started so that I'm drilling to depth. This depth is not precise, real precise. We're no half thousandths business here. We're just getting it in to, it just has to be past the parting tool and then not too far for wasting material because we have to clear out the hole if we do. And there we go. One of the clumsinesses of these little lathes. Okay, we're ready to get in on this one. Okay. Okay, that's that. And get this back out of the way. Find it's easiest this is only a 10-inch bed. It's easiest to just take the thing off. Get it completely out of the way. Alrighty. Now it's time to get the first turn hub diameter. I have dial numbers set. This will set my depth. I have a physical mechanical stop here. It's always 0, so now I need to 18 and a half. Okay. Just go right to my stop. That's getting me my 1 millimeter hub length. And now I'm going to finish size 18 and a half. Okay. Let's finish size on that hub. Now for the flange. Both of those set. And here we go. This will be the flange diameter. Also right up against the stop. And this one is 2.5. My photographer is crowding me a little, but that's fine. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. That's got the basic shape now. Now we'll change tools, put the parting tool in. I didn't make a special small one for this. I'm only doing a few, so I'm not going to worry about it. Get a 0. This one needs 4,000. Just okay. And a little brass piece that I made that fits the bore to give me something to lose these little stinking parts. It also serves to inspect the drill hole. It should not just fall in or takes up a force fit. There we go. And get in the air. Okay. So now we're ready to part. Gonna run nice and slow. you'd think plastic, you could really scream, but since we're repeatedly cutting over our cut itself, it gets hot, and you can melt the stuff, and you wind up with a melted cut instead of a cut, you know. So you kind of have to, sometimes better to run slow. Or now flood coolant in a big old CNC, yeah, let her rip. But for this one, okay, there it goes. And now I can find it with that big old hub on there. Big old brass, here we go. That's one of the hardest parts sometimes of these little parts is losing them. This hub now, it just the remainder needs to come off. And you know, that's the next thing, deburring this stuff is these little parts is sometimes the biggest chore or the hardest part of making it. The cuts themselves aren't a problem. Getting a deburring job that doesn't totally screw the part up is another story. And with the plastic, it bites, you get nothing to hold on to. If we were doing this, doing a lot of these, I would have another way of, I would make a rig for deburring them. I do that on my worm gears and such. Okay, that's the actual part now. I'll pull it off of this little arbor. Grip on it. There we go. Okay, and I'm gonna have to, there'll be just a little bit of a raised bump there where that